Strong people do these 10 things mentally. When we are going to observe strong people, you can see so many qualities predominantly present. So in this video, I'm presenting 10 things. Number 1, they move on always with the flow and rhythm, and they don't waste time on anything. They embrace change and will adapt accordingly. They welcome challenges and see them as opportunities. They stay happy and make others also happy. They don't waste time and energy on things they don't have the control. So don't forget to subscribe our channel. They are kind, fair, and unafraid to speak up to any circumstance. They are willing to take calculated risks and survive even in bad conditions. They celebrate other people's success and learn from them. They take care of their mind, body, and spirit. Number 10. They used to share the wealth with others. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscription button. We will see you in the next video. Bye bye.